Hey guys, just want to let you guys know that Hurricane Matthew is headed for Connecticut. I looked on my phone and the tracking device, and Connecticut is directly in the path of Hurricane Matthew. It's currently in Haiti right now, but it looks like it's headed up the East Coast into New England. So it should be here sometime by Sunday morning. But I will definitely keep you guys updated on what's going on. And yeah. I don't know when I'm gonna post a video about Matthew again. I'll probably wait until it gets closer to the time. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. And yeah. Sorry, I'm just looking around. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and remember to like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. I got 2 subscribers. It's alright. I need more. Come on, guys. I know you can do this. I know some of you really enjoy my videos, so. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment. And I'll see you guys later.